In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Charles Tyrwhitt discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Charles Tyrwhitt discount promo code. Right here, you'll have to search for this website, which is called Retail Me Not, and open it. As you can see, we have right here a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, all you need to do is select show code from right here, and this is your promo code. You can copy this discount code and you can apply this one on your next order in order to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this couponfollow.com website. And as you can see right here, you also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, we have this one right here with 10% off your next order. All you need to do right here is select show coupon code, and you can copy this promo code from right here and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.